Greetings, health enthusiasts and curious souls! Welcome to What's Next Keto channel. Are you prepared to navigate this intricate labyrinth of keto myths and uncover the radiant truths concealed within? Join us for this captivating episode as we dismantle misconceptions and illuminate the authentic facts surrounding the keto diet. If you're new to our channel, make sure to click that subscribe button. Before you're about to embark on a journey filled with enlightenment, let's commence our thrilling expedition in pursuit of keto wisdom. Number 10. Keto flu. Fact or fiction? Confront the notorious keto flu, separating fact from fiction. As you traverse the initial stages of keto adaptation, this transient phenomenon may emerge. It mirrors a vehicle transitioning gears as it accelerates. While real, its tenure is fleeting. Just as the car's gears eventually mesh harmoniously, your body adjusts to ketosis, leaving the discomfort behind. The path to metabolic transformation isn't devoid of hurdles, yet the journey's destination is one of sustainable vitality. Number 9. Myth. All facts are equal. Delve into the labyrinth of fats and debunk a prevailing keto myth, the notion that all fats are created equal. Imagine fats as a treasure trove, gleaming gold of the highest quality and deceptive pyrite that poses risks. Navigating this realm necessitates discernment. Opt for the former, avocados, nuts, and olive oil, while relegating the latter, trans fats, to the shadows. Your body discerns these subtleties, rewarding your choices with vitality and well-being. Number 8. Keto for everyone? Is keto an open invitation for all to partake? While the allure is undeniable, it's not a universal panacea. Variability reigns supreme. What suits one might not align with another. Imagine a bespoke suit tailored to your distinct dimensions. Seek guidance from experts, akin to skilled tailors, to fashion a keto regimen tailored to your unique needs. The result? A dietary garment that drapes you in vitality. Number 7. Brainy benefits of keto. Lift the veil on keto's remarkable influence on our cognitive prowess, shattering the conventional notion that our brains thrive solely on carbs. A revelation awaits as we peer into the realm of ketones, the byproducts of fat metabolism that emerge as the true nourishers of our cerebral faculties. Imagine this paradigm shift as an upgrade, trading mundane fast food for a sumptuous gourmet feast tailored exclusively for your brain cells. In this feast, ketone plays the role of the virtuoso conductor, orchestrating an ensemble of mental enhancements. The outcome is a symphony of heightened focus, sharpened clarity, and elevated mental acumen that reverberates through the corridors of cognitive performance. Number 6. Slimming superpower or short-term solution? Intriguingly, poised between two narratives, the keto journey prompts us to examine its capacity as both a sculptor of physiques and a fleeting remedy. The truth, like an intricate tapestry, interweaves these perspectives. Keto, indeed, wields the power to ignite the fires of weight loss, transforming fat reduction into an art form. The body, in its metabolic renaissance, embraces the path of ketosis, guiding us towards our transformational goals. Yet, a caveat emerges. This expedition is not devoid of bends in the road. The dance with keto demands a harmonious symphony between disciplined moderation and a tapestry of balanced nourishment. The riddle of lasting triumph, it seems, rests within the fold of this balance, a melody harmonized by holistic lifestyle choices. Number 5. Social life on keto. Let's lay to rest yet another misconception that lingers like a shadow in the realm of keto, the notion that this dietary journey means bidding adieu to your social life. Stand assured, for the vibrant tapestry of social gatherings need not fade to grayscale on keto. Instead, envision a vivid tableau abundant with keto-friendly indulgences, ready to be relished amidst the camaraderie. Imagine this scene. Before you sprawls a sumptuous banquet adorned with a profusion of meats, verdant leafy greens, and luscious fats. This culinary fiesta is a testament to the diversity that thrives within the keto sphere. Embrace the festivities with unwavering enthusiasm, for you are not relegated to the margins as a disenchanted bystander. Rather, you emerge as a spirited participant, savoring every moment with renewed vitality. Number 4. The cholesterol conundrum. Let us cast a discerning eye on the paradox that surrounds cholesterol within the realm of keto. Take a moment to reflect on a common myth. Does the keto diet, renowned for its embrace of fats, truly send cholesterol levels spiraling into the abyss? Let us dismantle the notion and unearth the truth. In reality, keto's interaction with cholesterol mirrors a transformative journey, akin to a makeover for the better. Contrary to apprehensions, the keto path often ushers in a boost in HDL cholesterol, colloquially known as the good cholesterol. Picture HDL as a vigilant sentinel, standing guard over the citadel of your heart's health. In contrast, LDL, often cast as the bad cholesterol, occasionally dons the mantle of a mischievous trickster. This shift, sparked by keto, unfurls a narrative of fortification rather than frailty. Imagine your heart's ramparts fortified, its defenses bolstered by the rise of protective HDL cholesterol, warding off potential threats. Number 3. Protein panic. Let's unravel the intricate tapestry of protein consumption in the context of the keto journey. The question at hand, can an abundance of protein potentially disrupt the finely tuned mechanism of ketosis? The resolution hinges on a principle that resonates across nutritional spheres: moderation. While protein plays an indispensable role in our dietary symphony, excessive indulgence can indeed ruffle the harmonious cadence of ketosis. Imagine this scenario. Envision a glass representing your body's capacity to process protein. Pouring in an excess, akin to overwhelming the glass, can lead to an overflow that disrupts the delicate equilibrium of the keto experience. Just as a musical composition thrives on a balanced interplay of instruments, ketosis flourishes through a harmonious interaction between fat adaptation and protein intake. In essence, the key to upholding the keto state rests in the hands of moderation. Endeavor to navigate the path where protein's presence enhances, rather than hinders, the symphony of metabolic transformation that is keto. Number 2. Myth buster. No carb, no energy? Let's lay bare a widely circulated misconception tethered to the keto domain. The notion that this dietary regimen drains us of energy due to its carb-restricted nature. The truth is a revelation of the body's astonishing adaptability. As carbohydrate intake dwindles, the body embarks on a captivating metamorphosis instead of solely relying on glucose derived from carbs. It orchestrates a shift towards fats as its predominant energy source. Visualize this transition as upgrading your vehicle's engine to a cleaner, greener fuel. A paradigm shift towards sustainable energy utilization. Contrary to popular belief, the path paved by keto isn't a journey into fatigue. It's a route leading to enduring vitality. The body's ability to nimbly navigate this energy transformation dismantles the myth, demonstrating its inherent capacity to thrive on alternative fuel sources while embarking on a journey towards sustained vigor. Number 1. The magic of ketosis. Prepare to unravel the captivating enigma of ketosis, a metabolic state rooted in science rather than mysticism. As we embark on this expedition, keep in mind that ketosis isn't a conjured illusion, but a well-documented process. By deliberately curbing our carbohydrate consumption, our body initiates a remarkable transformation. Instead of relying on glucose derived from carbs, they commence the production of ketones, the diligent couriers that convey the message it's time to harness energy from those fat reserves. Imagine these ketones as your body's secret agents, orchestrating the switch from traditional fuel to the untapped reservoirs of fat-derived energy. This pivotal metabolic shift, orchestrated by ketosis, unfolds as a spellbinding revelation of the body's innate adaptability. In the realm of keto, myths crumble under the weight of truth, and misconceptions yield to enlightenment. Keto's canvas is one brushed with the hues of science, and its masterpiece takes form through informed choices. As we part ways, remember to tether your curiosity to the subscribe button, ensuring you're poised to embark on more myth-busting escapades. Remain curious, tread thoughtfully, and revel in the harmony that springs forth from a well-informed approach to keto living.